So on your Toshiba 4K Smart Fire TV, if your TV is stuck on another language like Spanish, French or anything else and you just want to get back your English language, don't worry, let's see how you can change it in the quickest way possible. So first from your home screen, go all the way to the settings icon. Now in the settings menu, go to preference. If you can't understand the language or you can't find preference, just look for the icon that has 3 slider or 3 adjustment bar. So that's the one you need to open. So now from here, scroll all the way down and you might still not understand the text, but don't worry, the third option from the bottom is always the language option. So just open that. And now inside the language menu, you will find all the languages like English, United States, recommended, Spanish, French, English Canada, and many more options to change the language. Now choose the language you want, and I just want to switch it back to English. So here you can see I'm selecting English United States, and see your TV is now back to English properly and nicely. And that's how you can change your TV language anytime the way you like. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.